Today, we will show you how to install a beautiful MASTERGRAIN fiberglass entry door system. Correctly installing a fiberglass door system is essential for ensuring optimal performance, efficiency, security, and longevity, benefiting both the homeowner and the property in the long run. Before we begin, ensure you have all the necessary tools and safety equipment. It is important to inspect your MASTERGRAIN door system before installing it. Carefully remove the protective plastic wrap and compare what you received with the original order paperwork. Confirm that the size, style, stain or paint color, glass, hardware, and any other add-ons match. Additionally, verify that there is no visible damage on the door system. Begin by removing any interior trim from the existing door. Then, remove the surrounding exterior brick mold, if applicable. Detach the hinges to remove the door slab. Use a reciprocating saw to carefully cut around the existing frame, tackling insulation, shims, and silicone to break the frame free from the rough opening. Use a chisel to remove old caulking from all four sides of the opening. If needed, drill a new doorbell hole into the brick and feed the existing wiring through the new hole. This avoids damage to the new brick mold. Remove the existing door slab and jamb to expose a rough opening. Clean the rough opening of all dirt, debris, and obstructions. Make sure that the subfloor is level. Measure and check to be sure the new door unit will clear the carpet or hardwood. The subfloor may need to be built up for clearance. Dry fit the entry door system to confirm opening clearances, level of door, and support of exterior edge of threshold. Remove the entry door system from the opening and make any necessary modifications to the opening. Install a pan flashing system to the sill area in accordance with local building codes and best practices. Replace drip cap if necessary. If the exterior edge of the threshold requires support, add material to the exterior surface of the structure at the sill. Apply generous beads of premium caulking compound in a straight line on top of the flashing and along the entire length of the rough opening sill. Place the first bead of caulking to the exterior leading edge of the sill. The second bead of caulking should be placed along the composite edge of the threshold, towards the interior. Apply caulking in each corner of the sill. Make sure all four sides of the opening are level and square. For this particular installation, we used a 1/4 inch thick piece of wood and secured it with caulking on the bottom of the opening subfloor to ensure the sill would have long-term support and the door would remain level. Prepare the new door by removing all packaging and positioning it for installation. Install temporary blocks on the inside and top of the opening to assist in placement. After clearing away the old door and debris, you can move on to installing your new MASTERGRAIN door. Carefully lift and slide the door into the opening, adjusting the brick mold with a reciprocating saw if necessary. Use shims between the frame and rough opening for leveling and securing the door. Regularly check the door's level during the shimming process. Make sure the sill is level. If necessary, place wood shims between the subfloor and jamb to correct minor leveling and margin adjustments, 1/8 inch or less. Begin fastening the door system by placing 3-inch wood screws through the frame and shims into the framing of the house. Make sure the screws are placed behind the weather stripping for concealment. Drill pilot holes in the side lights. Then, use 3-inch finishing nails to secure the sides of the door system for a cleaner appearance. Cut the shims flush with the door using an oscillating saw to prep for interior trim. After the shims are cut back, apply the first round of spray foam in an up and down motion around the entire door system for full insulation. Once the spray foam is fully dry, apply a second round of foam. Prevent the jamb from bowing and enhance insulation for an airtight seal. While the foam sets, prepare and install the outside top aluminum trim. Fit the aluminum trim plate to the top of the door using double-sided tape or color-matching screws if necessary. And install the doorbell on the brick. Install the door hardware, chiseling as needed for a snug fit. Perform touch-up painting on chiseled areas, nail heads on sidelights, and any imperfections. Precisely measure and pre-drill holes for handle plates. Install the striker plate for a perfect fit. If requested, install interior trim. Apply color-matched caulking to seal the exterior, smoothing it with a tooling stick and a mixture of soap and water. Congratulations on installing your MASTERGRAIN Fiberglass exterior door system. Remember, precision and patience are key to a successful installation.